Mmhmm. I came back from the Dublin trip inspired to experiment with some of the flavors and techniques I was exposed to at the Meatopia event. In this video, I'm doing a traditional Irish beef stew but with a Caribbean twist. Usually they would brown the beef first in the oil, then remove it and saute the aromatics. But today, I'll be browning the meat Chinese style. Starting off with a round bottom cast iron pot, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and stir until it goes frothy and dark brown in color. Add the beef and allow each piece to be coated evenly with the caramelized sugar. Once all the pieces are well coated, season with salt and black pepper. Add 8 cloves of minced garlic, whole clove, 1 large onion, 3 bay leaves, 4 diced tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Combine and cover and allow to simmer on medium heat for 8 minutes. Add 1 bottle of Guinness for an extra stout, 3 cups of water, 10 sprigs of fresh thyme. Cover and allow it to simmer on low heat for 2 hours. Or if you don't have that much time, you could transfer it to a pressure cooker and cook it for 20 minutes. Remove the thyme stalks and bay leaves. Add 1 cup of diced carrots and allow it to cook for 6 minutes or until the carrots are tender. And the final product is a dark, rich and flavorful stew beef. And I'm serving this up with some creamy mashed potatoes. I really wish I had a pint of the Guinness Hop House 13 lager to go with this dish, as its light, crisp and citrusy finish should pair well and balance off the rich and robust flavor of the stew beef. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and give it a share. And if you do try this recipe, make sure to post your pictures on Facebook and Instagram and tag us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Mmhmm.